So after writing the update statement, we update profile, we set the first name to this, the last name to this, and these values we are setting them to are the ones we have here, that we are getting from here. So the next thing now is to pass the query. So we create a new update query, say update query equal to MySQLi query underscore query. Then we pass the connection and also the updates values. Then the next thing we can do a check. So we can say if it's not updates query, then display an error which says update was not successful. So my SQLi underscore error, pass the connection. Then what we need this to do is, once the update is, if the update is successful, we want the user to be redirected to the profile page. So we want the user to be redirected to the profile page. So we'll say location, we're using this header, location, then we go into the folder where we have the profile.php. So we'll say users / profile.php. But what we want to do is we want it to display the name as well. That is the first name. So we can say first name equal to user underscore first name. So once they go to the profile page, on the profile page you will see this link, profile.php, with the first name attached to it. So we have this, we have the updates, we pass in the query, and we are redirecting the user. Once the update is successful, we are redirecting the user to the profile.php page. So another thing we need to do is we declare this count and this error as global, because we're going to use them. So we say global error count. So we'll go to our scripts, that is the profile.php or the edit.php. Then we call the error value. So php echo error. So another thing we want is, we want a situation whereby if the user has not originally added an image, then we want this placeholder to be displayed. So we're going to use the count variable that we added. So we can take out this label. So we add our PHP. So what we want to do is, if count is less than or equal to 0, that is if the user don't have any image, then we echo this this placeholder. So we echo the placeholder, but we need to remove the colon, the double quotation marks that we have there, and replace it with single quotes. Then also, or else, we replace with, or we echo the image. In this case, we are going to go into the folder, images folder, then we display the user underscore image. We already have it here, so we can just take this out. Now there's something we've not be adding to our images, we need to add a class, a Bootstrap class called image responsive. So it's going to allow the image to resize according to the screen size. So just copy that. You can just add this for now. So here we have the values. All we need to do is we can test it out to see how the update works. So go to our browser, we refresh. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to change to see the effect. Here we made a mistake. You can see that for the last name we used the email instead of the last name. So we can just change that, then go to our page to change the value. So okay, here it's supposed to be last name. So we change it from user email to user last name. Refresh. On the edit page, if we go to our database, okay, we have the last name in the database as the email. So I think the problem for this is coming from the updates. Maybe it was updated wrongly. So we go to this page. Here, instead of having this, we can update this to what it was. We can update, change all of this. So we see what we have. We click on the update. Now you can see that the update worked. So if we go to our database, now we can see that the data, they have been updated. Now for the image, we did not change the image, so we are still having the image that was there previously. If we didn't add the statement or the query to fetch this data, then an empty image would have been sent into the database. So we can go back, edit, remove all of these values, change this, then we change this as well. Then when we click on updates, it will take the user to the profile.php. And on the browser, we'll see that the first name is what we have here. So as we can see that the update works properly. On the complete profile, we don't really need this if the user has already completed the profile. From here we can go. So we just need only the edits and the updates. So in the next video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to display the picture of the users we already have in the database, that is in the profile table. We'll display their image. So once the image is clicked on, it will take them to the user's profile page to view their profile.